Does that look like a foot of snow? Or more than a foot of snow?
Maybe more. It's more.
It's small.
Man, look at this car. Should not be able to get out in there.
Yeah.
Look how deep those things are behind it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's very deep. Jump cars alone are just, when they try to get out of the main area, they have to really, hit their gas pedal really hard.
Yeah, because if they clean the road, the snow it's so covered, it's blocking it. See those? Look at the car. They're trying to get it out.
Oh, yeah. The winds died down mostly last night, but the snow just kept going.
If you're not working, you should have no business of going out anyway to begin with.
Yeah.
And people can't stay home.